and on SCOTUS and tariffs, which is being argued by the Supreme Court right now as we speak. After an overwhelming rejection of the Trump Republican agenda at the polls, this morning, Donald Trump's lawyers are at the Supreme Court trying to argue his global tariffs are legal. They are illegal. They're arguing they're legal. It's hard to imagine a worse morning after for Donald Trump and Republicans than to have to go to the Supreme Court and defend these tariffs, which are dramatically raising Americans' costs. And that's why Republicans were so shellacked last night. And it led, and maybe the Supreme Court, actually, maybe the Supreme Court will put Donald Trump and Republicans out of their tariff misery by declaring Trump's tariffs illegal, which of course we know they are. Because Donald Trump's tariffs have been one of the biggest tax hikes on American families in recent memory. Poll after poll shows that Americans are paying more at the grocery store. That they blame Trump for the rising prices, and they disapprove of his tariffs. The Supreme Court should do the right thing and strike down Trump's tariffs before those tariffs spiral our economy into even a bigger crisis. And if our democracy is to mean anything at all, we should remember the Constitution is clear as a bell, clear as a Liberty Bell. The power to tax and tariff resides in Congress, not the president, not by unilateral power, not based on some BS emergency declaration. Donald Trump is not a king. He's bound by the Constitution and by his oath to protect the American people and uphold the rule of law. Today, the court should make clear that Donald Trump is not above the law. I yield the floor.